In my 4th year, I ran to be the senator for Nyandarua. It was very difficult for me to shuffle between being a comrade here and being a candidate at home. But I want to say something. The things that you've said, the problems that you have stated here, I have lived all those problems and I know them, all of them, one by one. Kama mnasema mnainama ndio lunch ipite, mimi niliinama hapa. In fact, I know the president was only courteous. You should have said, ikifika jioni, tunaenda pale Lovers Park, na hatuna wapenzi, tunakoja maembe yanguke, ndio tukule, ndio hiyo lunch hiyo siku ikue. Comrades, power! The president has only been courteous, Your Excellency. If he was candid na ingekuwa ni siku ile ni mtu ya kusema ukweli, angekuambia pale kwa mess, siku ile help imekuja, sisi tunakula kuku. Help ikiendelea kuisha, tunakula na kuku. Help ikiisha, tunakula kama kuku. Na angekuambia pale kwa mess, siku kama wakati mwezi inafika kona, hapo tunakula wali double na hakuna kitu kingine tunaweza, tunawekea supu na inakuwa sawa sawa. Your Excellency the Deputy President, kama president angekuwa mtu ya kuambia ukweli, angekuambia on a very good day, tunakula chapati mbili na mchicha. That is the best that we can. Na leo nimesikia mmesema hamtaki kula kama kuku, hamtaki kula kuku, no, hamtaki kula kama kuku, hamtaki kula na kuku, mnataka kukula kuku. Na mdosi amekuja, mmemuona? Mnamtambua? Mnajua anaweza kufanya nyinyi mkule kuku. Hata anaweza fanya mkule mpaka mbuzi. Hata anaweza fanya mkule mpaka ng'ombe. Hata anaweza fanya mkule leo na kesho. Nyinyi mnajua huyu ni Deputy President wa Kenya. Your Excellency the Deputy President, allow me to say the last thing that I want to say here. After leaving all those problems that you are mentioning here, His Excellency the Deputy President has told you, one day those people who are seated there will sit on this very bench that is in front here. If then you are looking for that person, I am that person who was here, seated just like you are seated here. From 2013 to 2017, seeing Professor James Kahindi, this one seated here, as my Deputy Vice Chancellor, in the School of Humanities led by Professor Harimu Shauri, who is, I think, around here, taking Bachelor of Arts, Sociology and Political Science here. And now, I'm not seated with you comrades there. I'm seated here with the Deputy President. Because it is possible that you can come from wherever you are seated, and you can sit on the front bench here. My final thoughts on the comrades who are here. If then you want to sit on this front bench, there are many things that you have to do. Everything that has been said here is what you're supposed to do. But ultimately, you must know that what brought you to this university is getting a degree. You can make many things. You can make a lot of money. You can go to Kibaoni wakati mambo iko sawa sawa. But don't forget, what brought you here is a degree. If you don't go with a degree at home, you shall have let down your parents who sent you here. Because the aspirations of your parents who could not become degree holders are held in you people. Your parents and your mother and your father are really working very hard. Wakienda kwa ofisi za wabunge wako hapa, wakiwatafutia basari. How I wish that your parents will be the last people in your lineage to apply and look for bursaries. Because you shall be empowered. You shall have the capacity to take your own children waenda mpaka university, wasome mpaka mahali wanataka, bila kuomba bursary hata siku moja. Because my own parents were looking, when I joined this university, Your Excellency the Deputy President, nikitoka bara Jambini, nilikuja na shilingi 19,000. Na hiyo ilikuwa utajiri yetu yote kama familia. Tulikuwa tumeuza kila kitu na kila mtu mwenye anaweza uzika huko nyumbani. I came here, I paid school fees for 11,500. Nikalipa hostel 1, mimi niko nakaa hostel 1 room 5. Nikalipa 4,500. Hiyo 3,000 ilibaki, ilifaa kuniweka mimi hapa term mzima, semester mzima. And I never got any other money from home. But it never stopped me from dreaming big and becoming a big person. Because tumeambiwa watu wasema ni watu wakubwa, sitawaambia mimi ni mtu mkubwa. Lakini kwa Kenya mzima, watu kama mimi ni watu 47 peke yake. Maseneta kama mimi. So you can become a big person and it is very, very possible. I want to make the final thought, Your Excellency. I want to ask you, comrades, mpendane sana. Work together. Is stronger than the superimposed forces that keeps you apart. Had my colleagues in that course not been very, very friendly to me, for sure, Your Excellency, I would not have graduated from this university. Because it was very, very difficult for me to attend hiyo group work na kwenda nyumbani kufanya siasa. Kwa hivyo kama iko comrade mmoja amesahau kuja wakati ya group work, tafadhali mumkubalishe asign hapo chini na mumwambie siku nyingine comrades power. Comrades power. I wish you well. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Thank you.